Morning all, it's Thursday morning, so it's what's new in the morning. So we're going to go through what's come in over the last few weeks and show you some new things. First up, let's have a look at, this is all Eduard stuff. This is the second series of the special edition Spitfire that they're doing. This is for the Mark II, there's two kits in there as usual. Lots of marking choices again, and again as I said, this is for the Mark II. From them as well, you've got older tag, which is the 48 scale ME110 CD, I believe it is. Yeah, CD, from the Battle of Britain. So all the markings related to it. I believe there's two kits in there. Or what? Hang on. Yeah, I believe there's two kits in there. So again, you get a choice of markings, all sorts of things. So for Battle of Britain. Also in Spitfires, they've released the Mark I in the Profi Pack version. So just one aircraft, lots and lots of bits and pieces, all the etched metal and big choice of markings, and so it's lots to work on. So if you just want to do the one kit with all the bits, that's the one to do. As I said, there's about 6-7 choices of markings. From Eduard as well, if you're into Mustangs, there's your next Mustang. This is the DK. This is more the Pacific War one, the ones, the long range ones, things like that. So this is very good. And if you're chasing more Mustangs, this is the two new ones from Ming. This is the latest version of it, the yellow nose boys. And then you've got the standard green and grey aircraft. So that's enough to show you for the moment. We will catch up with some more in the short term. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. Take care.